What?
You're not excited or anything, are you?
Yeah, I am.
You are excited?
Yep.
Why?
Because we're trying to go to the Belleville train show.
Yep.
Because you showed me on your phone. So
Yeah. Woo! Train show. Woo! We've arrived. He saw this room and literally came running for it as if he was Grandma Stiegemeyer jumping over the bush. Hey, Tay. Is it good, Tay? You can see it right there through. Here it comes. Yes, we got our flap going now here, baby. Narrate it?
Yeah.
Okay. On a scale of 1 through 10, how excited are you?
Wait, the train.
Oh, the Lego train?
Yeah.
Here comes the Lego train. It's coming around the bend. Get it, get it, get it. And there's the Eiffel Tower. And I'm gonna go there.
Mommy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mommy.
Oh boy.
Mommy, here it comes.
Here comes the orange one. It's another Lego train. Yeah. Sweet. We've got trains galore here in Belleville, Illinois. It's on like Donkey Kong. Yeah.
Where?
Yeah. What? Donkey Kong? No. It's a bummer time at the city, man. The tornadoes just came through and totally ruined the city. Oh, it was like an F5 at the Belleville train show. It's alright. The island of Sodor was spared. Oh. Hey, Tay Buggy. Do you like it?
Yep.
Alright.
It's Thompson's friends.
Yeah.
Mommy,
We're in a
Mommy.
different room now. There's lots more stuff over
Mommy,
here too. You okay?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mommy,
Yeah, I am. Here, put your hand in front of the camera so I can take a video of it. This is the layout that's got the steam action. Steam action galore. We've got all of those trains steaming. Here it goes. It's gonna pass. It's a steamy. They got a steamy over here too, Taylor. Oh, there it goes. What's up, Tay? What do you want to tell me? Take a video of that one?
Yeah.
I just did. I beat you to it.
Again.
Take a video of it again?
No, on again.
When it comes around again?
Yeah.
Which one?
That train. That's over there.
Oh, well that's going to be a while. Let's go find it. It's over here. Is this one coming over here?
It's that one. See it?
Okay, we'll get that one. Don't you think it'll come up around on the bridge here? All right, is it coming? Is it coming around the mountain when she comes? Toot toot, should be coming? Yeah? Okay. Ooh, it's having trouble chuffing up the hill, Taylor. Hear it? Oh, nope, it's down there. I thought it would go over that bridge. Oh, coming through the tunnel? Yeah. Here it goes. cars on the Pennsylvania?
Yeah.
Cool. We said we counted and you did. Good work.
So, Mommy,
Here comes the Lego train.
and Mommy,
Take a video of that one coming. Okay, here comes another Lego train. Whoa! That's fast, Tay. Go get it. And look, Taylor, who did they tell us was on top of the building? SpongeBob, Escape Bikini Bottom.
Mommy,